Hello and welcome to the 3xLOGIC INFINIAS web series. Today we're going to take a look at the INFINIAS Cloud reset password process. To reset your password, whether your password has been compromised or you've forgotten your password, you want to go to the main cloud interface, which is at ia.3xlogic.com, and you will see this link for forgot password. I'm going to go ahead and click it. Inside of the box, you're going to type your email address and then hit the send instructions button. Once you've done that, it will automatically send you an email. It will look like this. It will say, click this link. You have about 2 hours to click it and change your password. When you click the link, you will be prompted to enter a new password. Here are the password requirements. Minimum 8 characters in length. It requires a uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, as well as numerals. So you type in your new password that you want to utilize. And then once you have that information inputted, then it will take you back to the login page. And from here, you can type in your username and password. That concludes this video. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to sharing more INFINIAS tips soon.